Hello? 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 Hey, how's it going?
Hi.
Hi. It's cold outside.
Well, this is great.
Yeah, thanks. I mean, I worked pretty hard on it. I wasn't sure if you were gonna like it.
I do like it. Thank you.
Great. Yeah, no problem. So, how was your day?
I was pretty good. So how was your day?
It's been kind of strange, you know. I've been hearing my alarm clock, like, everywhere I go. It's like a really loud, obnoxious ringing noise.
Okay.
You know, just forget about it. The food's getting cold. Let's eat.
Alright.
Do you hear that?
Do I hear what?
The alarm clock. It's going off again.
I don't hear anything. Are you okay?
We'll be right back.
You're back.
Yeah, sorry about that. My alarm clock. I can't stand it.
I don't even know how to help.
You know what? Just forget about it. So, what's been going on recently at work?
So today at work we had a meeting and things actually went kind of stressful lately because the new guy came in and he was promotion, so everyone's kind of angry that they were post.
That's it. I'm tired of this alarm clock.
Do you need me to go?
But that's impossible. No.